So I was working out today and I kept getting back to back calls. And it's so irritating sometimes. I hate it when I don't want to take a call and I want to just focus on whatever I'm doing, but I keep getting calls, right? And first, I kind of put my phone aside, but instantly it hit me. I was like, this is the price for the throne. If you want to be a leader, if you want to be a king, you have to pay the price. Narendra Modi, for example, or any leader, they can't just go to a random place and sit down and have coffee like everybody else. You have to actually give up certain privileges. For a leader like Narendra Modi to go to a market and have coffee, the whole market would have to be swept for security. There would have to be police everywhere. Like lots of shit would have to be turned upside down for that man to just fucking have coffee peacefully wherever he wants to, right? So, in order to be a king, he's given up those privileges. Similarly, don't try to sugarcoat this. Don't try to find a way around this. There is no hack for this. If you discover your passion, it doesn't make it any less painful. There is a price you have to pay if you want to be the top dog. It's as simple as that. There is no getting around it. And the price can look like hard work. The price can look like you have to always be there to support your team whenever they need you. Even if you're in a bad mood, you have to still get up and support them. The price can look like you have to constantly innovate, be ahead of the market. The price can look like you have to handle customer complaints, you have to make sure your customers are getting what you promise them. The price can look like whatever. It depends on your business, your unique situation, the level you're at, the stage you're at, but there is going to be a price. Okay? Leaders do not have the same freedom, do not have the same privileges, do not have the same comfort that those who are not leaders have. But here is what I realized, that I have to find a way to make it worth it for me. You know? So, one mistake people make is they try to sugarcoat this whole thing that there's a price that has to be paid. They try to avoid it. Oh no, just follow your heart. Oh no, just live in the moment. It doesn't work. Oh, if you just find your passion, you'll never feel like you're working. It'll all be roses and butterflies. Doesn't work. So that's one mistake people make. The other mistake people make is they're willing to pay the price, but they don't make it worth their while. So you have to make it worth your while. Enjoy being a leader. Have a healthy ego about it. There's nothing wrong with ego. People have demonized the word ego. Enjoy that feeling of being the top dog. Let it fucking fuel you, right? So that's the emotional side of it. What else is there? You can decide your own schedule so many times. On one hand, you don't have the same freedom someone who's not a leader has, but on the other hand, you have a different kind of freedom. You don't have to follow a 9 to 5. You can pick your own schedule, you can pick your own battles, you can decide what projects to work on, what projects to not work on. You can decide the course of an entire organization, an entire industry if you're that kind of a leader, right? You can go and fucking shop, buy expensive things because you make money. There's so much that you can do. Yeah. So you have to make it worth your while. And you have to kind of keep all of these things at the forefront of your mind. You have to remind yourself that the price you're paying is because you're getting this in return. And in this list, there is a space for, oh, this is my passion, and oh, it's going to have an impact on the world, right? So all that woo-woo talk, which people kind of over emphasize these days, it is real, it is substantial, but it has a little place in this list, not anywhere else, not at the beginning of the equation, not at the price side of the equation. Yeah. So pay the fucking price, man. If you want to be a leader, if you want the throne, and even if you want an attempt at the throne, okay, don't misunderstand me. Just because you're willing to pay the price doesn't mean you will get the throne. There are many people willing to pay the price. Even if you want an honest attempt at the throne, you need to pay the price. But you need to be super clear on why it's worth it for you, what you get in return.
Just put 500 guns out there on the street and just start shooting up some people just to make a point.
Franco was a junkie, right? He was a rival. Some dumbass kid trying to make a name for himself. Yeah? Someone you forgot to pay off. Someone you slighted. without even realizing it. Could be something you put out of business for being so successful. Look at you. Success. It's got enemies, Frank. Lots of enemies. So your success took a shot at you. What are you gonna do now? How are you gonna kill it? You gonna become unsuccessful? Frank, we can be successful and have enemies, right? We can be unsuccessful too. You know, we can have friends. That's a choice.